Have you ever seen one of these and were wondering what this was? Well, originally it's a German cake. It's a whipped cream, cream cheese, yogurt cake. That's the best how I can describe it. You can get these at Amazon.com or, of course, in Germany. Most of the time, instructions are in German. But today, I will show you step by step on how to do it. Shall we get started?
First, grease the pan with a little bit of oil. Take a parchment paper sheet and cut out a circle. Put it on the bottom of the pan and slightly brush it with oil. Now let's see what's in the box. This package is powdered sugar for decoration. The second package is the mix for the filling, and the last one is for our basic sponge. Pour this one in a mixing bowl and add a half a cup of soft unsalted butter as well as 3 eggs. Mix until creamy and all the little lumps have disappeared. Pour it into the baking pan and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Take a knife and loosen the sponge from the frame. Also remove the ring. Peel off parchment paper and cut sponge in half. Now let's do the filling. Whip 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream until stiff. In a different bowl, combine package for filling with 7 ounces of warm water or 200 milliliter. Add 500 grams or 2 cups of yogurt to the bowl and mix it. Now add in all the whipping cream and mix it again. Dump all the filling on top of sponge and put the ring back on. Oh dang, the top broke. Oh well, it will taste the same. Maybe we can cover it up a bit later. We'll put it in the fridge now for at least 2 hours. Let's use the last pack, which is powdered sugar. Well, I was hoping to cover up the broken top. It's not gonna happen. I'm pretty confident though, it will taste delicious. Let's cut it and see what it looks like. Nice and light. I hope you give this a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching